You know the green screen and blue screen. You know it becomes the mist-covered planet, deserted jump background for a ball, hacked athletics, panoramic water, 1920 What happens when the imaginary planet is already there?
The moment you step in the middle of the volume, you're just there.
The volume is the epic-sounding name for the combination of high-resolution LED panels. Imagine awesome, huge TV screens wrapping around a stage, the physical set design matched to the panels, and 3D models plopped into an environment the same way they do in a video game. Then it can respond to camera movement to simulate the real world. Physically, confusing being on this set?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, the thing is, you're shooting all day, let's say, in the same exact scene, and you're at that location. It doesn't feel like it's something fake. It just feels like an extension of a regular set stage. You gotta be careful because there are times where people don't see where the end of the stage is and where the LEDs are.
You can get detail and an illusion of depth and better light. Instead of green screen spilling on the actor, you get blue sky and red desert actually lighting them. That basic technique has worked in everything from 2001 to Oblivion, but you miss the proper perspective shift or parallax in the background, since it's just a video playing on a screen. The volume tackles some of those problems. You can also adjust light and objects on the fly, and the reflections actually work because they are reflecting the other screens instead of a green screen, which was especially important for Mando, the show's main character.
His whole armor was reflective from head to toe, whether it be his pauldron or his helmet. It was just you can't avoid seeing things being reflected. So creating this volume where we literally could close up the whole thing into one giant circle and have an environment all across these screens, we were getting exactly what we wanted to out of his helmet.
The brain bar could focus on details that made the final product as seamless as possible, which was still a lot of work.